Today is a pretty special day. Got a little something new. Let me explain. Now, before I go ahead and open this and show you guys what's in the box, I want to give a little backstory. So I actually ordered this earlier this week for today's video, and if it didn't come, I was kind of freaking out because I really wanted this to be a video. I ordered this part this week, early in the week, like early enough. And, you know, I got the email that my order had been placed, but no shipping, no tracking, nothing like that. Checked my account on Thursday, the money's taken out, still no shipping. Friday I check, money's still taken out, still no tracking number. So I emailed the company and said, hey guys, you took the money out, didn't ship the part, cancel my order, thanks. This came in. As soon as I sent that email, I went outside and this was laying on my front porch. And here we are. Here we are. So, let me show you guys what's in here. Here it is. You know, I gotta say, 10 out of 10 on the packaging here. This makes it look really fancy. Here we go. Hang on. Ooh. Ooh, that's freaking crisp. Mint condish. Holy shit, it's heavy. That is real heavy. It feels real nice. Bam. So, why did I go with the SUBISPEED Shift Knob? As you know, my car is red. And originally, I wanted the Cobb Shift Knob because I like Cobb. I have a few Cobb parts on my car already. So that's kind of the route I was gonna go. But I was looking on the website and I really liked the white one because I don't want a regular black shift knob. That's just pretty boring. So I saw the Cobb Shift Knob on the website and it just looked like that sort of cheesy, clear, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It was like a see-through white. It didn't look like a solid shift knob. And so that really bothered me and I did not go for it. Especially for, I think it was $80. So no thanks. This one ran me about the same, but it's red. And my car's red, so it's gonna match the outside to the inside. And it's way heavier than I expected. So I'm pretty excited to get it on there and see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll spice up the interior. I had the old shift knob from, I guess the previous owner, he decided to put the STI shift knob on, and I found one online and it was $135. So I'm not sure if he paid that, but I hope not because honestly, it's faded and it doesn't look that good. I'll show you guys in just a minute. So it's not that faded, but you can see around here, it's like, just sort of worn off, so I wanted to replace it, and like I said, I don't like the black. It just looks cheesy to me. So that's what we're gonna replace today. If you guys haven't done this before, it's pretty simple. I'll show you right here. So what you're gonna do is this is just gonna screw right off. Real easy. Wow, there's a lot of threads on here. Bam. Screws out just like that. Here's the new SUBISPEED Shift Knob. As you guys can see, this is really, I'm really happy with it. Just overall look, the weight of it. It's just, I love it so far. It's not on yet, but then you just screw the next one on. Well, I have to say, the thing I don't like is it doesn't fit. I mean, it doesn't sit right. I mean, look at it. So the numbers, no matter how you do it, they come up facing the wrong way, and like you can't twist it any more than that. Long and short, I love the way it looks, but it's upside down. The threads are just not set right. If I lay the knob on with the numbers facing that way and then start twisting, it comes up like this. And if I start with the numbers facing me, it still comes up like this. If I start with the numbers facing left or right, it still comes up like this. It feels good, it looks good. I just kind of wish maybe the numbers weren't on there because they're upside down, no matter how you twist it on. Here's another look at the old one. You can see it's just kind of like faded. It's just real dull looking to me, but it is also pretty heavy. I guess this one was threaded right though because it always landed right side up. I don't know, SUBISPEED. I don't know how I feel about it. I know that today's video was pretty short, but thank you so much for watching. Don't worry guys, I have something big on the way. This was just something that came in the interim while I'm waiting for the big parts. When those parts come, I'm gonna be asking for Tyler's help again, and I can't wait to show you guys what's coming. It's gonna bring the car to a whole new level for me, something I've never done before. That's gonna be it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I have new videos coming out every week, and I got something big coming on the way, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I cannot even wait. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, I'm Mike.